So this is what we're gonna do. Whew, that Chinese paint stinks, guys. Wow.
It was real soft cutting through that.
Yeah, it's scary. Very scary. So we come over here and we gotta put our caliper in, which looks like that's gonna be about right where it needs to be. We might have to divot that a little bit. So we're gonna, because it needs to go down just a hair. Actually, no. Ronnie, can you pump that, please? So it's, yeah, it's right where it needs to be. Okay. So we'll get that centered up and then we'll start working on our bracket.